Today we are looking at a technique that you can use in some of your sentences to kill 3 birds with 1 stone. Are you ready? Because right now I have time for just one quick thing. So, I said this kills 3 birds with 1 stone. Let's count them. 1. It is always a good idea to vary your sentence structure so that your sentences don't become monotonous and boring. Repetitive sentence structure is absolutely something that your teachers and test graders notice, and something that I hope you start to notice by the end of the year. 2. This technique gives you an easy way to emphasize one particular idea. And 3. This is a great technique for giving more details about an idea. Those last 2 points also make it a great way to improve and expand your commentary without being repetitive. That's good enough reason alone for you to use it, since most students struggle with commentary. So, what is this magic technique? It's called a repeat word modifier. The name gives the game away. You're going to repeat a word and use this to modify or change your sentence by providing further details and/or emphasis. Yeah, this is one of those things that's easier to show than explain. So, you know what? Let's do that. Let's start with a normal sentence like this. The point of a repeat word modifier is that it allows us to take one part of that sentence and focus on it. So we start by asking which part we want to emphasize, focus on, or expand. Honestly, there are a lot of options. Let's see. Let's focus on when this fake event supposedly happened, last night. This technique is called repeat word modifier because I'm going to repeat a word. So I will start by adding a comma and repeating the word night. I'm also going to add the word a in front of it to make the sentence sound, good. Now I'm going to add in some information about that night. Maybe add some information about her behavior that night, like so. Nice. Now we have really focused in on what a crappy night it was. Ta-da! Okay, let's change this up. Let's use the same technique, but use it to emphasize a very different thing. Let's instead focus on the action she took. Start by repeating the word. Technically, I changed refuse to refusal, but we all know that this is the same word. So let's focus on the refusal. This time I will be nicer to her. Same technique, but I added a very different idea. Okay, let's do another one. Let's focus on the evil vegetables themselves, like so. Okay, one more. I'll be mean again. You probably have the point now. Pick an important word, repeat it, and provide more information. Again, use this to focus or provide emphasis. Use this to expand on an idea. Use this to add information, especially information that will change the meaning or feel of your sentence. Here are some more examples. Pretty cool, right? Ready to start using this technique? Well, hold on. Before you do, here are 3 common mistakes to avoid. Be careful not to create a run-on sentence. This is the most common problem students have. Solve this by using a word like which or that after the repeated word. Be careful not to overuse this. Although I love it, I have seen students begin to use this technique multiple times in a single paragraph. That is a problem, and it makes them sound like a young child who made a joke once, heard people laugh, and now they keep saying the same joke over and over and over. No matter how funny it was originally, it gets old when it's treated that way. Use this as the spice, not the main course. No more than twice in a page of writing would be my suggestion. Use it to direct the audience's attention where you want it most. Finally, be careful to actually add information. Don't use the technique to repeat yourself. That sounds silly, but I see it a lot. Alright guys, that's it. Have fun using this technique. A technique that will hopefully take your writing to the next level. See what I did there?